May I come in, sir?
Yes, come in.
Take a seat.
Give me a moment, sir.
Yes, tell me about something yourself.
Sir, my name is Anand Prakash. You may call me Anand. I'm a postgraduate in English. My hobbies include cooking, traveling,
What is
listening
the
to
meaning of
music.
Anand?
Let me complete my introduction. My past achievements are that I have been a bright student in my academics.
Oh,
and
you are a bright student.
And my future goal is that I want to be a good teacher in a reputed school. And if I talk, I'm a teacher in Rajubhiya Sainik School. Yes, what was your question?
Can you tell me about that? What is the five pillar of new education policy?
Sorry, sir, I haven't read about it, so I'm not in a position to answer your question.
What is the meaning of your name?
About time.
Sorry?
What is the meaning of your name?
The meaning of my name is Anand Prakash. So Anand is happiness and Prakash is light. When you are throwing light in somebody's life.
Do you know about antonyms
Of
of corpulent?
corpulent. Sorry, sir. I think that in English there are millions of words, and it is not possible for any teacher to remember all the
No
words.
matter. Synonyms
Of
of pugnacious.
sorry.
Pugnacious.
Sorry, sir. I cannot.
Spelling. Pangasious.
Sorry, sir. I do not know the meaning of this word.
So what happened after death?
After what?
This is the question. What happened after death?
What happened after that?
Yes.
Okay. So what is the question? What happened after that?
This is the question. What happened after death? What do you know?
Okay, what happens after death? Well, sir, I think humans have been searching for this answer for centuries, and there is no concrete answer for this, what happens after death. So I cannot give you any logical answer for this, because nobody knows what happens after
There are
death,
many
because
examples in
Hinduism
Bhagavad Gita.
says something else.
You cannot say
Christianity,
this is
for
the-
example, Hinduism says that we have got 7 gods, but Christianity says we have got only
Okay,
one
leave
life.
it.
So it differs from religion to religion, and we cannot have one sure answer. What are we going to do? Where are we going after my
So leave
death?
that.
So I'm
leave
not in a
that.
position
So
to
leave
answer
that.
your question.
Leave that. What is the nature of time?
Nature of time, it just goes on, and you have to update yourself, otherwise you will not be relevant. You have to keep pace with time. Time is money. Time is crucial. Time management is very important to be successful.
Okay,
So,
according to Aristotle, there are 5 kinds of tragedy. So what are they?
according to
Aristotle, there are 5 kinds of tragedy. So what they are?
sorry, sir, if you ask something very related
What do you
to-
like most, English grammar or English literature?
Yes.
I like literature.
Yes.
Literature.
So Sally sails, she sails on the shore. What type of figure of speech in this sentence?
Sorry, can you repeat your question?
Sally sails, she sails on the seashore. What type of figure of speech in this sentence? Tell me.
Alliteration, repetition of sound is there in this line. So
Yes.
alliteration is there.
Okay.
Is a figure.
What
of
do you know
speech.
about tragedy?
Tragedy? Tragedy is, as the name suggests, when something unexpected happens suddenly in your life. For example, if I talk about William Shakespeare, Othello is one of his popular tragedies, where the wife of Othello, she becomes the
Who is the
victim
most
of
important-
misunderstanding.
Who is the most important poet in a Victorian age?
In Victorian age, I think Emily Dickinson is one of the most popular poets.
Mr. Anand,
Yes.
you are speaking and the voice is coming from your mouth. Who speaks? Who is speaking
Yes.
in you? From where the voice comes?
From where the voice is
Who
coming.
is speaking?
Subject, if you are speaking about sentence, like I'm a subject, I'm speaking, I'm doing the
Not subject.
activity.
Who speaks?
Did you
There are
know?
many organs in our body. Like
Sorry, sir,
Who
I'm a
speaks?
literature
Which
teacher,
organ-
I'm
which
not a
organ
science
is
teacher, so I
producing
cannot
voice?
answer your science.
which organ is producing voice?
Sorry, I'm weak in
There are so
science.
many limbs and
I'm
organs
weak in
in our
science, I
body.
cannot answer
Okay,
this question.
can you describe figure of speech?
Figure of?
speech.
Well, there are so many figures of speech in literature. For example, when
Prescribed
you
in
analyze a
literature.
poem, then you have alliteration as one of them.
Okay.
Then you have imagery,
I saw-
then you have personification. So yes,
What do
there
you
are
know about
different-
oxymoron figure of speech?
Sorry,
Oxymoron figure of speech.
can you spell it?
Oxymoron.
OXYMORN.
Oxymoron.
Oxymoron.
I have heard of it, but I cannot exactly.
I have a question.
Answer this
Onomatopoeia.
question. Sorry.
Onomatopoeia.
Yeah.
Onomatopoeia. This is a figure of speech.
Figure of speech.
Describe.
Prescribed in intermediate course.
Also.
There are 7 figure of speech.
Okay.
Immediate.
So
I can tell you
Yes.
simile, metaphor,
Personification, hyperbole.
onomatopoeia, oxymoron, apostrophe, onomatopoeia. Hyperbole plus.
Okay.
Yes.
So onomatopoeia.
Yes. Your question.
Sir, can you tell me about, according to NEP 2020, 4C?
Creativity,
Yeah.
consistency, and
Okay, leave it.
And at last, I want to ask a question.
yes,
Ram said to Shyam,
yes,
let's play a cricket.
yes.
Change into indirect
India.
speech.
Ram says to.
Says to
Play.
Shyam, not says.
Yeah.
Say to
Let us
Shyam.
play to cricket.
Let's play.
Ram said to
Shyam.
Shyam
Okay.
that to play cricket.
It's wrong.
Okay,
Thank you.
I'll call later.